Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Raj, who loved animals. One day, while exploring the forest, he found an injured parrot and took it at home. He tended to its wound and provided it with food and shelter. As days passed, the parrot regained its strength and began to trust Raj. They became very strong friends. One evening, the parrot flew back to the forest, but returned the next morning with some beautiful shiny pebbles. Raj realized that the pebbles were rare and valuable gemstones. He sold them using the money to build a sanctuary for injured and orphaned animals, ensuring they all had a safe haven.
If you like the video, please subscribe this channel.